Yeah. It's a sad day today. It's a sad day. You know when it's like super hot and it just like goes through your skin? That's how it is right now. I can't even have my eyes open, but either way. Everybody's literally taking off the Tomei. But you're taking it off, now he's taking it off. You still have it on though, right?
No, I got the ISR. I'll get back there and even have the same thing.
Damn. Oh, I thought I looked at it and it looked like the Tomei. I'm pretty sure you guys know Jose. Well, he took off the Tomei, so he's not gonna... Like, how can you... Like, this thing sounds like a freaking jet. Like, why you gotta take it off? I don't get it. Oh my god. Damn, dude, that's crazy, bro. I feel betrayed, man. I feel betrayed. You're leaving the Tomei community. Has it only been 2 weeks?
Huh?
Has it only been 2 weeks?
I think so.
Damn. You know I saw Jose on the road and he also took out the Tomei?
No way, did he really?
Yeah, he did. We went back to the ISR. If you guys are not very cut up, like I think like a month ago or like 3 weeks ago, we actually installed a Tomei on Victor's Nismo. Alright, so if you saw the white 2016 Nismo, you guessed it. Our boy Victor's going with the Tomei. Oh, and now he's taking it off, so. Honestly, I think I'm gonna be next, dude, because with the setup I'm gonna go for, I haven't even told him yet. I can't run the Tomei. So yeah, there's that. Ooh, maybe I should give it away. That'll be pretty cool. Where's the muffler?
Inside my house.
Oh, okay.
I'm getting hit down here.
Rest in peace, Tomei. It was nice knowing you.
That's crazy. It was like way too loud, even with the stock white put.
Yeah. It's not for everybody.
It's like 3M and then these little bolts, but they keep coming loose. Like this one already snapped off.
Should I put this on my car? Like, I don't know. I feel like it's gonna make the rear look really aggressive. I don't know. How's your visibility? Does it mess it up?
No, it's not that bad. You can get in if you want.
Oh, that's not bad at all, actually. That's not bad at all. It sounds like a tractor. It's just straight up just Wi-Fi. Oh, it sounds bad. Alright, so sadly, there's no going back. Someone's coming to pick up the Tomei in like 7 minutes. And next clip you guys see, we're gonna go buy the new exhaust. What is it gonna be? Who knows?
This is your first lifted truck.
He's just cutting people in and out. There he goes.
Come right. Oh,
dude, that guy is so dumb, bro. Why? Your truck is so big. It's like, where do we park? I wouldn't even park, honestly. I would just like.
Just park right here.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I just dropped my phone. 100% honest with you guys. I'm not used to being in cars this tall or trucks. I was freaking out. Dude, it's so weird how we can come to like a warehouse or a store and like buy car parts, because usually you gotta order, right? Yeah. It's so weird.
Where's the scratch look?
Yeah, this one looks bad.
I'm just concerned because I don't have the hardware from this one to
All right. He joined the ISR gang,
yes,
so damn, just like that.
Just like that.
Because if you had the bolts that you had, I'm so, look at this. I gotta like jump up here. Yeah. Look at the calculation, bro. Look at that. It's like, well, you can see that before. I haven't calculated very well, but
You can definitely.
that's crazy.
This one up.
That's why it's so scary parking backwards and forward.
Yeah.
I'm just not gonna park at all, actually. We got the good stuff, bro. You ready? You excited?
Finally a real exhaust.
Whoa, dude. Nah, you can't be saying that, bro.
This is cool.
Alright, I'm gonna put a timer starting. And oh wow, guess how long it took?
47 minutes?
Exactly an hour.
Oh,
and the ISR is fully in. Ooh, I like it, I like it. That actually sounds really good. So he actually has non-resonated test pipes along with a stock white pipe and the new full ISR exhaust. So sounds really good actually. Yeah. I haven't even thought about it. Look, so I was leaving, right, and I hit the thing right here, and my whole bumper now. Look at this gap, and the whole tail light is off by a lot. So I gotta fix it when I get home. But get some drive-bys of the ISR. It sounds really good when you're like driving by, though. Right? I like it. I really like it. I think that was pretty much the same setup TJ Hunt has on his 370Z. I'm not sure. Just telling them, I really like how the this one's like a silver. It goes better with the white, in my opinion. Because the Tomei was like a bluish, like a burnt tip, and the car's like white and red, so the blue tip kind of didn't go with it. But this looks great with it. Mine just sounds pissed off. Yet another Danny Z exhaust video. Also, I don't think I said why I might have to get rid of the Tomei, or I basically have to. Well, you guys already know what I want to do to the car. And the setup I might go with requires that I get rid of the Tomei. So you kind of know what I'm talking about, you know, like, and then like, yeah. That said, oh, also we actually did a comparison video with his old car. And we actually compared the exact same setups, but we compared the Tomei to the ISR. I'm gonna leave that video linked down in the description below in case you wanna watch it. But with that said, peace out. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe, smash that like button. Don't worry, the Tomei's gonna be on the car for like a good couple more months. And then after that, I just tried putting my car in gear without the clutch in. Okay, I gotta go. I gotta get some sleep. Peace out. And as always, hasta